Stop scrolling. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most tasty, delicious coleslaw you have ever tasted in your life. It is healthy, it is delicious, and the flavor is top notch. So in this video, I'm going to show you the trick and the recipe that I use to make a delicious sweet coleslaw. And you will never taste another coleslaw like this in your life. You have not tasted in the store, whether it is Jamaican store, whether it is African store, whether it is Chinese store. You have never tasted this coleslaw before. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I do it. Coming up right now. Let's go. Some people like to scrape the carrots. So I do not. I figure when you scrape your carrots, kind of a wasting it. So I don't like scraping it. I'm not making a lot because I'm only cooking for a family of 4. Now for my cabbage, there's some very skillful chef out there that can cut them and cut them really nice. I'm not that skillful, so this is what I use, potato peeler, and this is how I do it. So it's fast, it's effective, and it get the job right. You can go both ways, back and front. You can go just one way. Already looking. So you can eat this just like this, guys. You don't need to put anything in it. Some people will put just like this. There is certain food that I cook, like if I'm cooking pilau, I will use it just like this because it's nice like this in pilau or fried rice. Just put it like this and just put it on the side, like just like you do the coleslaw. You don't need to put nothing in it. So because today I'm doing the rice and peas and the curry goat, that call for a little bit of something in it. Like I said, there is some chef out there that very skillful with a knife and they don't need to use it. Another chef. I just cook. There are some guys out there, chefs, very skillful guys with a knife. They can do that maybe even faster than me. But I'm okay with using. So this is it. This is it, guys. This is a coleslaw. Nice, perfect, big, chunky in there. So, by the looks of it, it has a little bit more carrot than cabbage. So I'm gonna even that out. But look, looking good. Look at that, guys. See the color? See color. Now, sometimes some people make coleslaw, and it looks like it tastes very acidy. I really honestly don't know what they're using it, whatever it's a. So yeah, I really don't know what they're using it, whether it's vinegar or whatever they're using it, but you get that kind of an acid taste in it, in your coleslaw. I really do not like that kind of acid taste. I dislike it. So instead of putting that vinegar, if it's vinegar that you put in there, I put sugar. And that gave me a very nice, sweet coleslaw. So that coleslaw is, like I said, I make sweet coleslaw. So I don't know if that's even a thing, but this is something I see my mother do in Grenada. So I would call it, that's what Grenada make. I would call it a Grenadian coleslaw. Because like I said, this is something I see my mother do. She makes sweet coleslaw instead of instead of making that coleslaw that very acidic. So she make sweet coleslaw instead. So this is something that I see my mother do growing up as a boy all the time, and we loved it. So this is my mother recipe for a beautiful, delicious coleslaw. So again, if it's something that is been put in other countries, they use, I don't know, like I said, vinegar, as I said, but I don't think so. This is ready to go. I'm waiting on the goat. Is it coming on along really nice? So this is ready, and in a few minutes again we will show you what the goat look like. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned on watch the process. So this is one of Grenada's most popular dish in weddings and then christenings. Rice and peas and curry goat. If you have been into a Grenada wedding before or a Grenada christening before, you got to have some curry. They got to have some curry goat in there. Delicious, tasty, looking good. See color, see the color, see color. And on top of that, side dish, I have some sweet, tasty, delicious, succulent, sweet coleslaw. So there it is. There it is, guys. Curry goat, sweet coleslaw with rice and peas. Grenada most popular dish in wedding and christening.